I'm going to give you a hack that can significantly improve your conversion rate for your direct mail marketing and pretty much any other marketing campaign you're going to be running, okay? Direct mail marketing. If any of you know me, you know I'm fiercely against direct mail marketing, cold calling, driving for dollars, and all that inferior crap that people keep doing. But I also realized that no matter how much proof and evidence and logic I throw at people, people just don't listen. Okay, so fine. I will still try to be helpful and improve your campaigns. Here's what you do. No matter what marketing you do, your message on that marketing should never be, hey, give me a call if you want to sell your house. Your message should never be that. Your message should always be, hey, visit my website. Now, by changing that call to action from call me if you want to sell versus, hey, check out my website, my conversion rate for that goal, for that purpose, is 80+%. It's far easier to ask people or to tell people to visit your website than to call you up if you want to sell your house. Nobody feels comfortable calling a stranger, especially when you look and sound like a scammer. So it's far easier to accomplish that call to action if that call to action is, hey, visit my website. So now, keep in mind, 80% of the people, when I was doing direct marketing, would obey my call to action to visit my website. 80%. Now, my website has a 23% success rate. 23% success rate. So that means, mathematically, check this out. If I send 100 people a mailer, 80 of them will visit my website. 80 of them. From those 80%, 20% will fill in the form. That is almost a 20% conversion rate versus your less than 1% conversion rate by simply keeping your call to action, hey, call me if you want to sell your house. By simply changing that call to action, nothing else, I get a 20% conversion rate. Now, everybody knows that direct mail marketing is not an instant thing, right? You have to send them 4, 5, 6, 10 mailers before they snap. So what have you noticed? What have you experienced? That 1 year after you send that mailer, people finally call you after 1 year. So you think, see, it works, it's amazing. See, direct marketing is good. Answer me this. What is easier? To save a 4x6 postcard somewhere, a physical postcard for a year, or just bookmark the website to forever be there? Of course, it's far easier, far more reliable, far more secure to just bookmark the website. Now, what is more effective? A 4x6 mailer that can barely hold the amount of content you want to convey to your traffic, or a fully pimped out website that has your name, your number, your face, your pictures, your reviews, your testimonials, pictures of all the houses you bought, has everything on there that is needed to convince anybody that you're legit? Of course, the website. How about this one? Do you understand that the website is there magically exactly at the right moment that person is in the best mood to visit your website? Why? Because nobody forces anybody to visit the website. People are going to visit your website when they want to, when they're ready, so they're in the good mood, they want to see you. But direct mail marketing, you annoy the living hell out of people by forcing yourself in front of their eyes, spamming their mailbox. It's just not as efficient. You have to rely too much on luck for them to be in the good mood to actually check out your mailer. So, another win for the website. Nothing converts better than a highly effective, professional, and credible website. Nothing converts better. So, by simply changing your call to action from, hey, give me a call if you want to sell, to, hey, visit my website. Do you want to know how I found you? Visit my website. Are you angry at me and you're screaming and you want to give me a earful? Go to my website. You want to know why exactly I sent you the mailer? Visit my website. Everybody is going to visit your website. You will get a far more positive first impression of you and your business than a crappy, weird mailer, intrusive mailer can ever give you. By simply changing your call to action, you will drastically increase your lead flow. So now, here is the caveat. You do need to have a credible website. You do need to look good. You do need to look real. You do need to sound competent. And the best way to do that is by really diving into credibility and value. So those that know me, I constantly talk about credibility. There is something actually that's a little bit more important than credibility, that is called value. As long as you give people value on the website, you will get that credibility needed for anybody to be confident you can help them. Now, what value is and means, this is a complete whole series that I'm not going to do right now, but just the point of this video still is mathematically proven, changing your call to action from call me to visit my website, you will drastically increase your profits doing recent investing. I hope this helps.